So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to find meeting passcode on Zoom. So for that, first of all, open your Zoom desktop application right in your computer, and then you can see this button right here. Now select it, and then you guys will get in a Zoom meeting. After that, you guys need to select this option. Now you can see the participants option right here. Now select its arrow button, and you can see this invite option right there. Now just select it. Now in the bottom right corner, you guys can see the meeting passcode right here. Now you can even copy it by selecting this button right here. Now you can see that the invitation has been copied to our clipboard. So now you have just copied the meeting passcode. After that, now you can send it to your friend like this, copy and paste it, and you can see the passcode right there. So after seeing this passcode, your friend can enter your Zoom meeting. So just like that, you guys can be able to do it, and that's it for the video. So if you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.